Hi! Welcome back to Simply Natto's Natto Lingo. Let's practice Japanese. Today's episode is number 9, and today's keyword is りんご酢. Let's learn how to pronounce this word and what it means. りんご酢. 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 But what does it mean? りんご酢 means apple cider vinegar. Are you wanting to try a unique flavor with your natto? Then try it with a little apple cider vinegar. If you'd like to discover more unique ways to eat and enjoy your natto, then follow the link in the description below. Thanks for practicing with me today. Stay tuned for the next episode of Natto Lingo.